Ayer por la noche me dio un call. Haciendo todo bien, mi amada. Somos como la luna queriendo sol. No quiero nada.
I feel like I've been running on this cruise, so these next 2 days I'm going to try to relax. Right now I am on the Serenity deck. As soon as I got here, it started raining a little bit, but there's a covered side on the Serenity deck, so I am on the covered side and just relaxing.
Quiero separarme de ti, y aunque sea lo correcto y sea cierto, dolerá mucho dejarte ir. Mis panas con ese consejo, déjala ir. Nadie sabe lo que yo siento al verte a ti. Esta vaina yo ya te dicen de mí. Soy masoquista y lo niego, sé que es así.
Okay, good job. Give yourself a round of applause. Going! Yes! We need somebody hit back! We got back! We can't have it! Go! There's a gap! We need you! We need you! Hey, look at this section go!
Que he inyectado en mis venas, la dueña de esos momentos con los que sueño y mis condenas. Chica, tú eres la dosis que he inyectado en mis venas, la dueña de esos momentos con los que sueño y mis condenas. Alright, hace como tú la que no sé, ya pasamos más de las 12, bebé. La rutina bien la conoce, ponemos un Netflix, empiezan los roces.
Alright, back in the theater for another show. And then for later on tonight, I just lined up a few things. More comedy, more shows at the central stage. And then I'm going to do the comedy show, the last comedy show where it's both comedians together on the stage together. And then that's going to be the night for tonight. And so far, I love this ship. I love all the different venues. There's a lot of entertainment, a lot of things to do, and you cannot do everything that you want to do. There are things that I want to do, then they're scheduled at the same time, or they're kind of overlapping. I haven't even filmed a lot of the ship yet. I filmed one deck 6. I haven't done deck 7, deck 8, where a lot of the new venues are. So I don't know if I'm gonna get to everything on this trip. Might have to break it up until the next cruise. It's a big ship, lots to do. All right, I came back to my room to use the restroom. Yes, I'm weird that I always come back to my own room to use the restroom unless I just absolutely cannot make it back up here. But I always come back to my room to use the restroom. But anyway, so we have one. This is the last day, and then we're in Nassau tomorrow. So I came back to my room, and I was surprised to find that they already put the liquor that I purchased in the Dominican Republic in my room. I've never experienced this before, so I don't know if this is something new or it's just that I haven't seen it done before. Usually I would have to pick it up on debarkation morning. So just kind of surprised to see it here. Not planning to drink it now. I do plan to take it home. But yeah, that was a nice little surprise. So now I can go ahead and pack it and not have to worry about, just saving space for it or figuring out how I'm going to get it to the car. So, pretty cool.
La dueña de esos momentos con los que sueño y mis condenas.
from the park, I hear rhythms. Oh, I'm ready. The cry, oh yeah, here I am, trying to live my world. Say living just enough for the city. Living just enough for the city.
So I am here at the Platinum Diamond Party, and I brought my new friend